So my name is Brad Thompson, and I was part of the AEGIS program, still am part of the AEGIS program. And so I'm nearing the end of my time in AEGIS, and I just wanted to give a little testimony, I guess, about the faculty there and the curriculum there and the learning environment in AEGIS, and try to relate that to maybe how I'm transferring that to where I'm serving, where I'm actually working out in the world. So so I am an executive vice president at a graduate school of religion, and I've served there for 15 years. And so I entered AEGIS several years ago, and now am sort of at the end of the line. I'm at the process where I'm just about ready to graduate. You know, in AEGIS, the faculty is a world-class faculty. They're exceptional at what they do. They're leaders in their field. Maybe at the front end of your experience in AEGIS, you don't really realize how the program will change you and maybe even change the institution that you work for. But it's now just sort of at the end of the process that I'm realizing the value of the AEGIS experience. And faculty is phenomenal. They're more than just faculty. They really are mentors in the real sense of the word. They're you know, they're colleagues, and they're just very instrumental in helping you to get to the next level of you know, your own personal growth, and then also the growth of your institution. If I could say a word about the curriculum moves from theory to practice. So you start in AEGIS by learning a lot of theory and how it relates to the field in which you're called to, but also it goes right from theory to practice. So you use what you learn in AEGIS to help you to be better at what you're doing, whether it be a corporate experience or an educational experience or a nonprofit experience or wherever you're serving. AEGIS really does make a difference. And then I would say something about just the transferability of what you learn. What you learn in AEGIS is going to help you, and it certainly has helped me in my area by taking the principles that I've learned here and using those in a very real-world way in the school in which I serve. So my research here has to do with collaborative action research, collaboration. And so our school is one that's sort of a missing piece of the puzzle. In leadership and leadership decisions, we haven't been as collaborative as we possibly could have. And just in my research and in dealing with the people in a research team there at my school, I found it very useful not only for my own personal growth as an administrator and as a practitioner, but I've also, with this research team, what I've done is I've introduced some of the concepts that I've learned in AEGIS to my research team, and what I'm seeing is that they are taking those concepts and they are using them in differing areas of administration within the school itself, which was really encouraging to me to see how what I've learned in AEGIS has been, personally, it's been valuable to me, but it also, as other people in my institution are learning these concepts, then they are using them as well. What they're teaching here is also being used in, it's not just my institution, probably other people in AEGIS, this is their experience as well. The learning environment that I've experienced here while at Teachers College has been collaborative. I would say that it's been challenging. It is challenging, and it's something I think that the people here really do care about you as a person, so I think it's caring as well. I think the curriculum is, maybe in a word, transformative. It sort of meets you where you're at and helps you to get where you need to be or where you want to be as a practitioner. It's a diverse experience. I think that there's diversity not only of differing institutions, but you have a diversity of people that you might not normally have in a learning environment which I think is really helpful for the whole person to learn while they're here at Teachers College.
Je vais te dire pourquoi je t'aime. Le temps aidant, je deviens franc. J'arrive à dire mon âme blême quand tes yeux me rentrent dedans. Moi le cratère où tu te noies, murène blanche de ma vie.